So we're done with the workspace. Now let's proceed to setup. So it's workspace customization that I've already discussed. So let me show you. Here it's in the essential. So you can select your workspace like the animator, classic, debug, designer, developer, essential. So I'm going to use the essential. Okay, so by that also you can customize your toolbar, which is you can add colors, swatches, or brushes here. It's like here. So for example, I will add the color here. Just drag. Then you will notice that it become color blue. You can return it here. So click and then drag it here. So you have your color palette here. And then for the swatches also, you can select here. Just drag and drop. Okay, that's how you're gonna customize your tabs. And then also for the canvas or the stage, you can zoom in or zoom out, or you can adjust the percentage here. So let's go back here. Like this. Okay. Now we have completed our workspace. So it become like this. I'm gonna close this one. Once you close that one, it will return to preset here. So that's how you're gonna complete your workspace setup. After that, we will proceed to continuation of that one.